So today is going to be a real chill video, girl. No makeup, no nothing. So today we're going to do a fragrance mist declutter. I've been meaning to do this for a while, and honestly, y'all, I was going to sit down, do my makeup and all of that. But honestly, y'all, I have so much on my to-do list, I can't even do it. So I was just like, before I declutter it, let me just do a quick video. So hopefully y'all don't mind. It's not like the same setup or whatnot, but girl, we like real on this channel anyway. So I did post a makeup declutter, so if you haven't seen that video, it is already up. I just went through my makeup artist kit and decluttered today, and then some business stuff I decluttered. Girl, I'm on like a whole declutter spree. Next after my fragrance mist is going to be my clothes, and that's going to be a lot. I may or may not record that video. I'm not really sure because I have so many clothes to declutter. Honestly, y'all, it's going to take me like a whole day, maybe two, to declutter all of that stuff. But let's get into this video. So if you are a lover of fragrance, girl, you already know what to do. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also leave me a comment. What's your favorite perfume or fragrance mist right now? So this is my entire fragrance mist collection. I know to some people this may not seem like a lot, but honestly, y'all, I am more so of a perfume girl. I mean, I do like my fragrance mist, don't get me wrong, but honestly, y'all, I have so many perfumes. I really don't even gravitate towards my fragrance mist that often, so it's definitely time to declutter. And if I don't use them, girl, my sister can use them. Okay, let's get started with 1,000 Wishes. This smells good, don't get me wrong, but I'm just kind of over 1,000 Wishes. I feel like everybody has this, and it's just not doing it for me. Don't get me wrong, it does smell really good, but if I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I have not gravitated towards this fragrance in so long, and I feel like it's just kind of outdated. So yeah, I'm definitely going to put this in the declutter pile. So anytime I declutter, I like to create 3 piles: one declutter, one to keep, and one maybe pile. So that's how I like to do it. So the next fragrance we have is Champagne Toast, and I'm definitely keeping this. I love this scent. It smells so good. It's a nice fruity tangerine scent, so I do like this one. So the next one I have is Pink Fresh and Clean Vacay, and honestly, y'all, this scent, I really do love it. It smells so clean. You can smell like aloe, but it's very fruity at the same time because you have some pineapple in there. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've used a little bit of it, but I really don't wear it that much. It has been in my collection for a really long time. It smells so good, but honestly, y'all, do I need it? No. Am I going to get rid of it? Yes. I'm going to go ahead because I only really use this if I'm like going to the grocery store or something like that. So we can go ahead and get rid of that one. So the next one I have is actually a new fragrance mist in my collection, and I'm going to go ahead and keep this just because it's new. But honestly, y'all, I already know I'm going to end up decluttering this one because it smells very reminiscent to another Victoria's Secret scent. But this one is kind of like the watered down version. I'm kind of over the whole Victoria's Secret fragrance mist perfume thing just because their stuff just doesn't last at all, but it smells really good. But I'm gonna keep this one. This is Orchid Santal. This one smells like the watered down version of the Moonlight Frost. Now this one is my favorite, and that's the only reason why I got this one, because I was like, oh my god, it smells like Moonlight Frost. But then when I sprayed it, I'm like, okay, this is kind of like the watered down version. This one is so good. So this one smells amazing. It lasts for a long time, and it's very hard to find Victoria's Secret fragrances that actually last for a long time, but this one is Moonlight Frost. It smells so good and it lasts a long time. This one is definitely in my top 5 fragrance mists. I love this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep both of these just because this one is new. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, if I don't end up using this one, I'm gonna end up giving it away to my sister, because I mean, I don't like to keep stuff if I'm not going to use it. So the next one I have is from Mix Bar. This is Tangerine Squeeze, and I'm not a big fan of this, but I feel like I've been trying to mix it, but I just can't find anything to mix it with that it actually smell good. But the scent is not bad. When I purchased it, I thought it was going to be like more so of a tangerine summery scent, and it's very heavy on the sandalwood. It's kind of like more so of a masculine scent in my opinion. So I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. I don't know about this one. The fragrance I have is from Nicki Minaj. I never even hauled this. This is Pink Friday. This is the fragrance mist, and I am not impressed. And y'all ask me all the time why I don't show Nicki Minaj fragrances. It's just because I'm more so of a perfume girl, and I do not want to see a mannequin head sitting on my vanity. I just think her packaging is really cheap. I do think that the Onika fragrance is really good. My friend let me smell that one. I think that one smells pretty good, but the other ones are kind of like mediocre, and I don't like the bottle. If I don't like the bottle, girl, I'm not going to purchase it. So this one was on clearance for $3, and this one is definitely going in the giveaway pile. That one is going into the declutter pile. Our declutter pile is right here, and anytime I declutter my fragrance mist, I always give them to my sisters and my nieces, so they always take them. But like my perfumes, some of them, if I pay a good penny for them, I normally sell them on Mercari. I'll leave my Mercari shop down below. Next fragrance I have is Rush. And y'all know I really love this one. This is a nice sweet fragrance, and I actually mixed it with another one. So I'm going to keep this. This is hard to find, but y'all, this smells so good. I do have an older bottle. I don't believe that the new one smells like this one. This one, the longevity is pretty good. It's not the best. It's not like a beast mode, but it's pretty good. Considering the fact it's Victoria's Secret, I feel like it's pretty good. So I'm definitely going to keep this one. The next one I have is Patchouli Rose, and I actually got this from the semi-annual sale, the one that just passed. This one smells so good. But y'all, I wore this one today, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm kind of sick of Victoria's Secret because they make fragrances that smell really good, but they don't last long at all. This one smells so good. I love the peach and the rose in this, but this does not even last 30 minutes. So I'm going to keep it because I really do like the scent. I probably will wear it to bed. So I actually mixed these two together. This is Rush. This is Patchouli Rose. I actually mixed these two together, and they actually smell really good. So you already know I'm keeping both of these. This one is new, and this one has been in my collection for a long time, but honestly, y'all, I cannot get rid of that one. Into the Night, and y'all already know this is one of my favorite scents. If you love deep berries, this is a nice scent. I really do love this one. This is definitely in my top 5. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping that one. The next one I have is So Fresh. This is from Believe Beauty, and I was going to keep this just because it's a Dolce & Gabbana light blue dupe, but honestly, y'all, I wore it, but now I really don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter that. Next fragrance I have is Fresh Gardenia, and I've been sleeping on this. This is a new fragrance mist in my collection, so of course I'm going to keep this. But y'all have been telling me about this fragrance, and girl, this is just everything. I really do like this one, and it's a really good mixing perfume fragrance mist. I'm going to keep that one. This one is Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. Definitely am going to keep this one. I did try the Untamed and the Crystal version, I think, and to me this one is the best. The original, in my opinion, is the best, so definitely going to keep that one. This one is Victoria's Secret Scandalous, and honestly, y'all, I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. This is a Riri dupe, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this one does not last long at all. So I'll normally use this to freshen up, but I may end up decluttering this, so I'm going to put this in the maybe pile. Miss I have is Victoria by Victoria's Secret. Now I love Victoria by Victoria's Secret. It smells so good. I actually have the perfume, but the perfume bottles, and that's another reason why I don't like Victoria's Secret, their perfume bottles over time, they will leak, they will break. They are not made well at all. So Victoria's Secret, y'all definitely need to fix that. But I really love this scent, so I'm definitely keeping this. I also have a small little one just like this in my car. I keep it in my car, and it still smells so good to me. I did try the Victoria XO, and that one is a no. You have to get the regular Victoria, and I don't even think they make this one anymore, so I'm definitely keeping this one. So I feel like I'm keeping way too much, so I need to kind of tone it down, but I know I'm keeping these two. These two are my favorite. This is Dahlia. I did a whole fragrance mist review on this fragrance. I really do love it. I love the pear in this. It smells so good, and I think they only sell this during the fall time, but honestly, y'all, this is a nice year-around scent. So Y'all, if you have it, then you already know Dahlia is so good. I have to keep that one. Now, this one is Bonfire Bash, and y'all already know this is my jam. I love Bonfire Bash. If you love vanilla bourbon and you love smoky scents, this is definitely for you. Some people love it, some people hate it, but personally, I love it, girl. This is just everything to me, and I don't mind smoky scents. So yeah, I really do like this one. Just purchased Sweet Whiskey. I really do like this one. I got the hand cream, and honestly, y'all, if I can just get the small travel size, I would, because I'm never going to go through a whole big bottle of Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works. This one is Night Angel. Tiffany actually got me this one, so it does have sentimental value to it, but you can't find this anywhere. And I'm about right here, y'all. As you can see, I've been loving this. I'm about right there, y'all. I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. It's like halfway gone. I should just go ahead and give it away. Fragrance mist is from Mixed Bar. This is Glass Rose. And I really like this scent just for getting out the shower. That's the only time I really wear it. So this one is a clean beauty brand, so I don't mind wearing this to bed. So sometimes I do. So I'm definitely keeping that one because I actually use that one a good bit. So the last two I have. So this one I really just want to keep because it's so many memories. This kind of reminds me of like when I was in school last year. We couldn't wear fragrance, so I will always wear this. This is the Green Pear and Citrus Refresh Fragrance Mist from Victoria's Secret. I do love this scent. It's a nice fresh scent, and it does have like a botanical feel to it, and I love like a botanical essence to a perfume. So I'm definitely going to keep this one because I love this one. The freshness is just so good to me. The last one I have, y'all, I don't really purchase fragrance. Well, I don't purchase fragrances from City Trends, but I saw this cute packaging and I was like, girl, let me pick it up, let me smell it. And I purchased it. This smells so good. It's Tropical Temptation. The fragrance notes is hibiscus, aloe vera, mango, and chamomile. This is a nice mango-y type of scent. You really smell the mango in this. You do smell the aloe as well, but I really do like this one, and I'm gonna have to put this in the maybe pile, y'all. So I do have 3 separate piles, but my keep pile is way too big in my opinion, so I need to declutter some. I have 4 in the declutter pile, and I have 4 in the maybe pile, and I don't want to keep all of these. So I'm about to go through them, and I'm going to declutter some more, and I'm going to show y'all which ones I'm actually decluttering from my collection. So I just went through everything, and I'm gonna show y'all the fragrances I decided to declutter. And I did get rid of 2, 4, 6. I did get rid of 8 fragrance mists, and I think that's pretty good. So I did decide to declutter the Tropical Temptation. I think I'm going to regret this, but honestly, y'all, out of sight, out of mind. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter that. Mixed Bar Tangerine Squeeze. I'm going to go ahead and declutter this. Scandalous by Victoria's Secret. I feel like I'm going to regret this as well. And I really don't want to declutter this because it's like a full bottle. I've only worn this a couple of times, but I'm going to go ahead and declutter it. Night Angel by Victoria's Secret. I'm going to regret this one as well because it has meaning to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and declutter it because it's almost halfway done. So Fresh by Believe Beauty. I'm going to go ahead and declutter that. 1,000 Wishes by Bath and Body Works. Of course, I'm going to declutter that. I don't even want that in my collection anymore. Pink Friday by Nicki Minaj. Definitely decluttering. And Pink Fresh and Clean Vacay. We are decluttering this one. Just easier for me to show y'all just like this what I'm keeping. So I'm keeping Victoria by Victoria's Secret. Fresh Gardenia, Bare Vanilla, Into the Night, Patchouli Rose, Moonlight Frost, my favorite. I'm gonna put this, I don't know, y'all. I may get rid of this one. This Orchid Santal, I don't know if I really want that. Champagne Toast, I'm keeping. Green Pear and Citrus Refresh, I'm keeping. Sweet Whiskey, we're keeping. Mixed Bar Glass Rose, Rush, Dahlia, Bonfire Bash. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually declutter this because this one smells 10 times better, and I already know I'm not gonna use this, but I don't like to waste money, and this was like $6. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it to my sister because I mean I'm not going to use it. I love this one. So I just want to show y'all real quick. These are all the fragrances that I decided to keep. Of course, I put my Bath and Body Works at the back, and then I put my Victoria's Secret, the mix bar, at the front, just because those are smaller bottles. Or I couldn't put any more fragrance mist or anything on this row. So yeah, I'm glad I decluttered because it looks way better now. So if you saw my Amazon 3-tier perfume organizer video, then you already know this is the same organizer. It's actually for like skincare and stuff, but I use it for perfume. So yeah, this is that, and I just keep my fragrance mist at the bottom because I really don't gravitate towards them that often, but when I want them, I want them, so they're at the bottom. And then like my affordable fragrances are at the top. And honestly, y'all, I'm all out of room for perfumes. I do have like a whole bag full of perfumes with like 14 perfumes in there, so they can't even fit on this. So I need to declutter some perfumes, but I'm actually not going to declutter any perfumes right now. I'm actually going to wait. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how everything looks. Make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I will see y'all on my next video.